can see me doing this. Y'all, I found them. Look how tall the ceiling is. You even get a ceiling fan. What? I like this one. I like this one a lot. Okay. Second choice. I came back. So this must really tell you that I like this one. Ooh, we would have to replace this bed because it's not the comfortable. Here's the chairs. Green cabinetry. I love this window and this little breakfast bar. The TV. I just like the setup of this one. And this one's $27,981. Wow. I need to know what the specs is for towing this particular one. Oh, and you have the option to get the theater seating like this, so it would come with the jackknife. You have to pay more for that. I like this. I like this a lot. Let me get this bathroom again. Nice size bathroom. I really like this one. I do. Microwave. I like the drawers. You guys are what? So out first. Yeah, whatever. You can do it this way or this way. Nice little mirror. I like this one. I do. I love this one. Look. That's with the shade down. Still can see really good. That's nice. Chairs. Is this storage down here too? Yup. There's storage down here too. I don't know why I'm whispering. But it's three cabinets. That's nice. Storage over here. Nice. This is small. I guess for your CPAP machine. Pass through. All the way through. This is nice. I like this. I wonder if those windows don't open. This is nice. That's not this. I like this one. I like this one a lot. Okay, this the cheap end. This the first one. If I was to get a first one, it would be this one because the price is right. 27, under 30,000. This is nice. I like it. Even have the floor vacuum. That's nice. AC. I don't see a fan. Is there a fan in the bathroom? Yes. Fan in the bathroom. And nice little hooks too. That's cute. Oh, I like this. I like this a lot. Decision. This is that's what it looks like on the outside, kinda, but smaller. I like the new booths. Ooh. I am taking a breather. I like to take breathers in the ones that I like because it gives you a sense of what it would feel like if you had one. And I like this. I can see me in this one. I really can. This is nice. And the seats recline. You pull this little lever up. of jerks you back, but it's cute. I like this. Watching the TV, your picture window, and this is your view. Like if you're sitting here, oh, I like this. I like this a lot. That's the TV. I wonder if I could get a bigger TV in here than that. I probably could, but see, I would want the TV to move over a little bit because it's kind of blocking. I mean, it's not that bad. It's not that serious, but your view. I like this. I like this a lot. Okay, let's manifest this one. All right. You can come in. Ugh. Kind of hard to put. It's kind of hard to put them seats back. I'm just sitting here chilling because I like this one. What time is it? Oh, it's 6:10. I gotta go. This is it. I have to find out what the towing capabilities is. No, my RAV4 would not tow this. I already know that. So I would need to get a vehicle. Good thing is I don't have to make those decisions today. Today was awesome. Today was amazing. I'm glad I came just to get a sense of what's out here. I totally changed my mind about one of the RVs that I was looking at. This one is a better fit. You can come on in. Come on. I don't bite. This wasn't on my list. I was really looking at the R-Pod, but this one checked all my boxes. Checked all of my boxes. Love this for me. I like the color. I like the aesthetics. It's roomy in here. You have exactly what you need. The only thing that needs to be upgraded is this mattress, but I like it. It's enough space for 2 people. Let's get out of here.